ready, Maxine.
Go.
Hi, this is Jesse Peppy Park. I am in Hotlanta. I'm going to name it PEPLANTA.
Okay.
And I'm standing here with Brother Ross Marvin, who is in charge of UNIA. What division again?
Division 421.
And the collective Black People Movement. I'm going to tell you, Atlanta, I'm coming to get you because all the right vibes are here. What should they expect from CBPM going forward?
Big things, big things. Our job is to organize our people's skills, talents, intelligence, and plus since we come on to need the UNIA government, we have the biggest plans from the government and thing, and this is the local Black government office, the UNIA CBPM office. You can see some of the things we do, teaching the youths math and science, and there's a place of gathering and thing, and sound system behind you and everything else. So I just give thanks and welcome now to PEPLANTA.
Thank you. PEPLANTA is going to be named. Watch out for this. And also, you spoke about UNIA. I know today's a very big day for you, so we're not going to take up too much of your time. You have an election.
Yes.
What are the officers that are going to be voted in today?
Well, we have 46 total offices, so we're going to vote for the last 15 offices, which is video production office. Also, in that vote is Universal African Black Cross Nurses. The rest of the office, I have them on my desk and thing. I expected that question.
Okay, no, we just want to know there's an election today.
But enough positions available for leadership for our people here in the South in District 5 of the Black government, and the election start at 5 p.m. today.
Awesome. So we want to thank you for the love.
No problem.
And thank you for being a part of the welcome committee for me as I came to Atlanta. And we will see all of you again on peptalktv.net and definitely in Ghana with Africa for the Africans.org. Peace.
Big up Africa for the Africans every time.
Every time. At home and abroad.
At home and abroad, yes.
All right, cool.